Ready to absolutely rock it with your automation? Say goodbye to limited workflows and execution caps. If you're serious about high-value, low-cost n8n automation with unlimited possibilities, Hostinger's self-hosted n8n VPS hosting is your answer. Let me break down all the Hostinger VPS self-hosted n8n hosting options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. When you purchase any of these plans through my special partnership checkout link, you'll score an extra 20% discount. Compare that to a regular coupon code that only gets you 10% off. You're literally getting double the savings with my automatically applied code. Here's how to rock it. I've included automatically applied coupon codes for all available countries in both the description box and the comment section, organized by your country's currency and language. Once you select your country's coupon code, you'll land on Hostinger's official website. Simply click on Self-Hosted N8N on the right side of the navbar. There, you'll see all the Hostinger's self-hosted N8N plans. Pick whichever one fits your needs. My 20% discount works on every single plan. I'm personally going with the KVM2 plan, and as you can see, my 20% discount is automatically applied at checkout. Pro tip: always choose the maximum duration since Hostinger doesn't offer renewal coupon codes. Important heads up: use a new email address that hasn't been previously registered with Hostinger to lock in this discount deal. Rock your self-hosted n8n hosting journey with Hostinger at the best price possible. Thanks so much, friends. Love you all and happy automating with n8n.